Enrolling with us is very easy. Go to our website www.orange.edu.au. Click on the online application button and follow the 5 simple steps.
We are proud to be the first college group to launch a single application form that allows students to apply to all 3 colleges at once. This innovation is designed to make the application process more streamlined and efficient for both students and agencies alike.
Step 1. Select whether you are applying via an agent or if you are not applying via an agent. Please select Direct. If you are applying via an agent, you will be required to include your agent's details. Once that's done, select whether you want to start a new application or continue working on an existing one. Please type the agency's name, not the contact person name. Then enter the email address where to send this application. Now it's time to choose your course. While choosing your course, choose your intake date by clicking on the Course Intake button next to your chosen course. The available dates will automatically appear in the calendar. The next 2 questions will ask you if you wish to apply for credit transfer or recognition of prior learning, RPL for short. If you have previous studies or experience in relation to the course you wish to learn, you might be eligible. Please contact info@orange.edu.au for more information. Click on the Next button. Step 2. Please fill up all the sections of the form, like personal details, passport and visa details, your health cover, language and cultural diversity, academic records and previous qualifications achieved. Click on the Save and Next button. An auto-generated email will be sent to your email with the reference number. With this reference number, you can come back later to finish your application in case you didn't finish it in the first instance. Step 3. This step refers to your employment history, your health record, your English language level, and your reasons for studying. Click on the Save and Next button. Step 4. This step will ask you to provide a Victorian student number and your unique student identifier. If you don't have a USI number at the moment, please provide it on your induction day. Click on the Save and Next button. Step 5. This is the final step. In this step, if you'd like us to organise the airport pickup, if yes, please fill out our airport pickup request form.
Go to www.orange.edu.au/form-and-policies and find the airport pickup form.
And finally, we require your documents to be attached. Make sure to attach the documents and kindly go through the privacy statement and student declaration section. If you agree, then click on I have read and understood the policies and place your signature in the blank box below. Now click on the Submit button and soon you will see Thank You on your screen. Congratulations, you're done. Keep the reference number safe. Our team will analyse your application and you will receive an email confirming your online application. Please make sure to check your spam and junk folders. If you have any other questions or found any errors while making the application, please contact our ever so friendly staff. Thanks for watching.